Okay. Okay, see, now access the portal.azure.com. Yeah, so navigate to storage account. Okay, this is the storage account. Now I am going to create another file share that should be mounted with Linux file system, right? Now go to file share. Here, create file share. Okay, the file share name I am giving Linux hyphen file share 2023. What is the name of the file share? Linux hyphen file share 2023. Okay, I do not want to perform any backup. You can leave it created. Okay, it has been created. Linux hyphen file share 2023. Okay, now click on browse. See, it doesn't have any content. Now try to access Linux virtual machine. Already we had created in last session. Linux hyphen web hyphen VM. Okay, try to copy, open. What is that? MOBA Exchange. Okay, MOBA Exchange. Yeah, now try to open new terminal. SHS, paste it, connect. Okay, accept. Username, cloud admin. Okay, password, SharePoint at the rate of 12345. Yes. Okay, clear the window. Now type LL. Okay, type ELL. Okay, this is the file system. All right, next. Now, I would like to map file share with our local network drive that is about Linux. Okay, if I go to what is that? Storage account. Try to storage account. Okay, here we have file share. Okay, here we have file share. This is the Linux file share. Okay, now try to connect. Okay, this is the Linux. Show the script. Okay, show the script. Now copy the script, open, paste it. So this is the script. What it will do, it will create one directory under MNT file. It will authenticate with all cloud credentials. Okay, yeah. So now signing with sudo, just try to access with sudo root account. Next, clear the window. Now try to copy and paste the script. Just copy and paste the script. Yes. Okay, hit enter. See, it has been accepted, guys. It has been accepted. Okay, now ELL. Okay, yeah, clear the window. ELL. So CD MNT file. Okay, ELL. See, have you observed? It is showing Linux. What is that? File share 2023. What is that? Linux file share 2023. So whatever the name we have provided here, what is that? Linux file share 2023. Okay, it has been mounted. Okay, now CD Linux file share. Clear the window. Can I create one directory? If I go and verify, like browse, see it doesn't contain any files. Now what I will do now, try to create emkdir. I can say Azure, Microsoft. Okay, now go on refresh. Yeah, see, wonderful, right? I am going to create another directory, mkdir Azure. Okay, go ahead and refresh. Okay, yeah, next emkdir cloud. Go ahead and refresh. See, now I will try to create what? Another directory here, like Copilot. What is that? Copilot. Yes. Okay, Copilot. Now, if I go on the type, will I get that directory into my Linux machine?
Mm.
Can
Yeah.
anyone tell me?
Yeah.
Yes, we can do that, right? To verify, what should I do? ELN. See, guys, Azure Cloud Copilot Microsoft. Okay. Yeah. Next, I am going to create another directory. mkdir bod. Okay, bod. When I go and refresh, see, you can see bod. You know, right? There are two artificial intelligence sites. They are popular in the market. One is uh, copilot.microsoft.com. This is the Microsoft. Copilot.microsoft.com. This is the Microsoft product. Pod.google.com. This is Google product, guys. If you want, if you need search anything, you people can go ahead and use these two. One is copilot.microsoft.com. Other one is what? Bod.microsoft.com. So they have introduced both using artificial intelligence, guys. Got it?
Yeah.
Hello,
Okay.
Segar. Hello.
Yeah.
Segar, here, like, see, suppose I am the user account and there is a one root account, right? The root
Mhm.
account is maximum having the permission with the admin, correct?
Yes, correct.
Suppose being a user account and I want to create the, right, I want to create the same thing, but I cannot create because I don't have the, like, the sudo access, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. So then in the real industry, because admin is not going to give the permission, like he is not going to share the credential with one,
You are
then
the
how you,
Azure administrator, you will have root account credentials.
correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, admin account, right? Admin.
Yes,
Oh,
you are the
yeah.
admin account.
Okay. But admin account, you will be having the suppose I am the user account. Okay. Admin, they are the separate department in the industry, in our project.
Okay.
And I've been given a task, Rakesh, just to create this one. But
Yeah.
I don't have the permission with the admin. And so then how will you achieve that thing?
Yeah, then we have to manage the permissions in Linux. You are the
Okay.
root account. So there is a some ABC user. He has to perform something. Then you have to manage the permissions.
So root account, they need to give permission to me, right? To the user, right? I am the user actually. Actually,
Forget about
explain
it,
this
guys.
and I'm
Uh,
because very confused sometimes.
Okay, straightforward. While I am creating the virtual machine, I have passed cloud admin. Am I right? This is the username I have passed. Right, guys? Okay, there would be internal built-in user called root account. This is quite common. When you create any Linux machine by default, okay, root account will be there with Linux, any operating system, whether it is Ubuntu or Red Hat or Debian or SUSE, anything. So root account, it does contain total sysadmin permission. Sysadmin permission means whatever you want, you can do that. Okay, so generally to perform any operation, normal user, it doesn't have the permission. For installation, configuration, okay, to perform these things, you have to use root account. So there is a some XYZ user is there. Okay, XYZ. He would like to perform all operations. Then as a you are Azure administrator, you are the Linux administrator, give the permission for XYZ user. Then he will able to perform all these things.
Okay.
Okay, please remember if you deploy any virtual machine, not only in Azure, wherever you go, by default there would be two users. One is built-in user, that is the root account. Other one is what? We will pass the username while provisioning the virtual machine. Okay,
Okay. And we will
yeah,
pass the user like yeah, like so, but that will be that will be like user account, right?
yeah,
While
user
creating
account.
the BM whatever. Okay.
Yeah,
But that suppose I am the Rakesh and I am having the like the account. Okay. Okay. So I don't have the all the permission, right? Only the root account they can
yeah,
give the
root account
permission.
will have permission. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So they need to first give me the permission, then I can do all the like
Yeah, I
required
can do
things.
that. Yes, yes.
Here, like here you are. here you are the you are using directly the root account, right? You are just
Yes,
giving the suit
directly I am
some.
using the root account. Yes.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Next. Now, another here important services is containers. Okay. So first thing, earlier formerly used to call it as blob container. Okay. So full form of the blob is what? Binary large objects. Okay, binary large objects in the sense, you know, right? Blob, it store unstructured data, as I said. Blob in the sense, the name itself, it is saying that binary large objects. Okay, here, unstructured data in the sense, what does it mean? I can say videos,
Yeah,
okay,
can audio files.
yeah, audio, okay, VM backups, I never discussed about it. Next, if tomorrow, if you are going to take the backup of database, then I can say SQLDB backup. The SQLDB backups, VM backups, they are unstructured data. The data which is not in readable format. Clear? So recently, Microsoft they have changed blob container to container name. That's it. So what is the container? Container is a service in Azure and it is used to store unstructured data. Okay, unstructured data in a sense, this is the one. Next important point here is using container, we can also deploy static application. So where we will use this kind of storage is, you know, right? There would be a Netflix. They are using, they are storing tons of videos. Okay, you know, Amazon Prime. Prime videos. Okay, they are also using what? Trying to store tons of videos. Okay, where they are storing those kind of videos? They are not in virtual machines. They have one service called separate service called simple storage service. Amazon Prime Video, they are all storing all the videos in S3 service, guys. Simple storage service. That is the service in AWS they are using. Coming to the Netflix people earlier, he's the big customer for AWS. Now they are migrating to Azure. Okay, to store such kind of tons of videos, we will use blob container. Okay, binary large object container. So later, we can develop one application. You can map what is that all these videos with your application. Okay, that is about what? Static application. What is the static application? The content never ever gets changed. If we develop the application using HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, client-side scripting language, that we will call it a static application. Okay, next. Next. So the blob, it provides high available, durable, scalable, and reliable. Okay, the blob storage always it provides high available, durable, scalable, reliable. Now have a look. I will go and create one container. Container. The container name is uh, new. Sorry, videos. Just I am giving videos. Have you observed here it is showing only private, no anonymous access. It is showing private, no anonymous access. What does that mean? If I try to upload, this data can be accessed within the private network. See, by default, it is giving private. If I try to change access level, see, there is a one option, change access level. Yes, change it. It is grayed out. Why it is grayed out is, you have to change the settings in configuration level. Okay, now navigate to configuration. There is a one option, configuration. See guys, what it is saying. First thing, secure transfer enable, blob anonymous access. It is disabled. Just enable it. Earlier it was by default enable. Now when you create storage account by default, they are disabling for blob anonymous access. Okay, do enable allow blob anonymous just to save it. Yeah, changes are saved. Now, same way, navigate to storage account. Okay, containers. Okay, videos. Okay, this is the video. Right now, I will try to upload some videos. Upload. Okay, browse. Yeah, now navigate to D drive. Okay, videos. Okay, even you can maintain 4K Ultra HD videos as well. Just it will occupy more space. Apart from that, nothing. Okay, I am uploading some videos. Yeah, videos have been uploaded. Now change the access level. See, now you can change it to anonymous. So outside of the members, anyone can access. Okay, yeah, see, I am choosing simple video. It will give you the URL. Copy this URL, open it in Notepad. See guys, this is the URL. What it is saying, your storage account blob.code.windows.net, your container name Windows videos, then your video name. Now I am pinging, copy and paste it. See guys, this is the 4K Ultra HD video. Okay, I am pinging in the chat. You can also play it in our system. You know, right? Amazon Prime videos, they are all using this kind of storage only to store the data. Okay, even our Reliance people, they are using our Azure data centers to store the videos. You know, right? Geo movies, Geo cinema, Geo news entertainment. Okay, they are using our Azure cloud storage account itself. Okay, yeah, this is one video that you can play it in the browser itself. Am I right? Amazon Prime also same, right? You can watch on the browser itself. Okay, yeah, there is another video. Close it. Navigate to best funny video. Okay, copy this URL. Open Notepad and paste it. See storage account blob.code.windows.net. Your video. It is the best funny video. Now copy and paste it. Okay, so I am also pinging in the chat. You can also try it out. This is the anonymous. See, it doesn't have that much quality. Sample video it is. You can upload any type of video and you can play it from outside. Okay, this is about what? Anonymous. You know, right? Amazon Prime Video also initially 1 month free. Okay, after 1 month over, they will ask you go for take the subscription. Am I right? You'll also say actually these are all unstructured data where you can store all videos, audios, and that can be accessible from outside. Okay, you are able to access, right? Are able to access these videos?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
You are able to access. Okay, I have enabled for all public access, right? Now what I will do now, there is a one option networking. In the networking, I will go on disable it. I will go on disable it. Just total I am disabling it. Save it. Now those videos should not be accessible. In storage account level itself, I have disabled for public access. Okay, now refresh. This is about cache in. It is taking. I will try to access it. Private browser, try to access it. See, it is giving an error. Okay, now close that window. Same URL, whatever I ping, try to access in different browser. Why? Because frequently used browsers always store the cache files. You may play the videos. Now try to open incognito mode or private window in Microsoft Edge. Okay, this is the Microsoft Edge. Paste it. it is giving what? The request is not authorized to perform these operations. Are you getting same issue? So Amazon Prime also doing same. Initially, first 1 month they will give the free trial. So after 30 days, they will disable it. Then you have to pay and take the subscription. Sorry.
I Shekhar.
Yeah.
But Amazon Prime is doing an user level, right? It is not like common to everyone, right?
Yeah, user level, they are implementing. See, that is the license public, right? Like
Yeah.
millions of people are using. 100% they will put authentication. Here also you can put authentication.
Okay. So you're saying like we can even implement the user level.
Yeah, user authentication.
Okay.
So generally, initially, when you say Amazon Prime, it will ask you enter your username and password, right? Do you agree? If you do not have the account, they will ask you to create a new account. Am I right? Why?
Correct.
Because to maintain the subscription. After 1 month is over, automatically your account will be deactivated. Such way that they have implemented the code.
Okay. But how to create such a account for this particular video? Shekhar?
Yeah, authentication we have to implement. There is a Azure Active Directory, right? When you put configure Azure Active Directory, so then only people, whoever is the part of Active Directory, they can only access the data. I will show you. Active
Okay.
Directory itself again version, I will show you that.
Sure, sure. Thank you.
Okay, the moment when I enable all network access, the videos you people back to access. Okay, yeah, see it has been enabled. Now, another important step here is I want to deploy what is that static application. Okay, how to deploy static application? Generally, you cannot drag and drop. See, go to storage account, look at my screen. There is a, in the blade, there is a option called static website. Okay, this is static website. Can you read it out what it is saying? Okay, enable static website. Enable static website on the Blob service that allow you the static content. Okay, web pages maybe include static content, client-side scripts. Okay, see server-side script not supported. What does it mean? What are the server-side scripting, guys?
Yeah, backend, Java,
Okay.
Python.
Yeah, exactly. ASP.NET, Java, Python, they are server-side languages. Okay, yeah, next. So, as data replicated asynchronously primary to secondary regions, files will be secondary region. It will take anything redundancy. Okay. Yeah. Next. Now, I will go on enable it. Okay. The landing page, let me give that index.html. What is that? Error page, error.html. Okay. Just save it. Now I want to deploy one static application. See what it is saying. An Azure storage container has been created to host your static application. Okay, the container name is $web. Okay, if I click on it, it will take us to what? That container. Or else close, go to your storage account. Okay, there is a what? Containers. Earlier, I have created what? Videos container. Now to deploy static application inbuilt, it has created $web. What is that? $web. Okay, now click on it. See, actually, it doesn't have any application. Now I want to deploy one new application. Okay, actually, you people can drag and drop documents, guys. For example, try to upload. See, there is a drag and drop files. Okay, now open. Go to web app. Okay, there is a full motion application. Just to highlight these application files, just drag and drop. Okay, they are uploading. Okay, see, application has been deployed. Now, what I will do is close. Now go to statics website. It is giving an URL. Now copy, paste it. What is the URL? Your storage account dot web dot code dot windows dot net. Clear? I am repeating your storage account dot web dot code dot windows dot net. Now copy and paste it. See guys. Okay, this is kind of application. Okay, I can say it is kind of Amazon Prime application. If you want to play the video, just click on it. Actually, we have integrated with YouTube videos. Directly, you can play it. See, this is 4K Ultra HD video. Okay, 2160 Arca HD video. It does contain high quality video. Clear? See, high quality video. Okay, now I have it. Browse. Clear? So this is about what? How we can deploy one static application on top of what is that? Blob. Okay, so Amazon Prime also same, right? If you want, I will access Amazon Prime Video. Okay, you can watch it in, where is that? In the browser itself. They have designed the application like this only, but it is the public and commercial side, right? So they might have maintained high quality like Python, .NET or Java, whatever it is. Okay, for example, some I am using Tiger. Okay, so it is also playing in the browser itself. See. Okay, same even the application which I have deployed, yes, it's also open in the browser itself. Okay, you can maximize and use it. This is also same. Clear? So this is about what? How to deploy one static application. There is that in Azure storage account. That is what Blob storage account. Okay, see, actually to copy the files, I have used browser. Okay, I have used browser. So Microsoft introduced another tool called Azure Storage Explorer. What is the tool name? Explorer. This is the first tool I am introducing in Azure. Okay, what is the tool name, guys? Azure Storage Explorer. It is used to perform Azure storage related operations. I am repeating. So to copy the files or to perform many operations related to storage account, Microsoft introduced one new tool called Azure Storage Explorer. Azure Storage Explorer is a Microsoft tool, and it is used to store or to perform Azure related operations. Okay, Azure related operations. Okay, yeah, next. This is what Azure storage related operations. Next, another thing is, okay, next, another thing here is, here you can drag and drop the documents. Drag and drop documents, files, okay, and other documents. Okay, so you can install anywhere. This supports cross cloud platform. It supports cross cloud platform. Okay, so I can say you can install this tool in Linux again, Windows, Mac operating system. Three of the OS it is supporting. Now where we can download. As I said, I request you remember only one URL. What was that?
It will be
Sorry. What is the URL?
Microsoft.
Azure.microsoft.com. Okay, yeah. Next, at end of the URL, just type downloads. Okay, when I type downloads, here you could see all Azure related tools, guys. For example, I want to develop one Android. Okay, Android Studio, you can download and install it. Okay, if you need integrate C with GitHub, you can go for C with GitHub. You know, right? GitHub is now whose product?
Microsoft.
Yeah, Microsoft product. Okay, now go to tools. Now I am looking for what? Azure Storage Explorer. See, this is the Azure Storage Explorer. Now download it. Install. Okay, see Azure Storage Explorer. See, upload and download, manage Azure Blob files, queue, tables. Okay, as well as Azure Data Lake Storage entities, and this configure storage permissions and access controls. Now try to download. See, it is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux as well. Now try to download with Windows. Okay, yeah, it is downloading. See, this is the new feature, guys, for Microsoft Edge. When I try to download it now, immediately it will open another window where you can see all your downloads. Just 1 week back, they have implemented in Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, this is wonderful feature. Yeah, a lot of changes are coming. Okay, so just we have to monitor them. That's it.
Which option shall we check? Which option?
In Microsoft Edge, if you have latest version, when I try to download it, see, when I try to download like this, see, immediately it will open another option, another window in left side, right side. Have you observed? I have highlighted.
Yeah.
This is the new functionality.
Initially, it was coming up with a pop-up and was going
Yeah,
down.
pop up and there is a null. So now
Now it is
easily you can see. Yeah.
In Chrome also, sir, same thing
Chrome,
nowadays.
I think it doesn't have. It by default it will download it.
Previously, it download bar comes in the bottom. Na? Nowadays, just pop up on the top
We'll
top
try.
of the.
Downloads. Start. Download. See, it's not coming pop up. Just
Pop up not coming. Just
yeah,
it
here
goes
it is giving
outwards.
the information. Okay, people will get confusion where it is getting downloaded, right? So when you go for Edge now, directly it is showing. After downloading, you can click on it, then go back to the browser, close it. Nice feature that is. Okay,
Yeah.
now, yeah, this is what Azure Storage Explorer. Now copy and you can install this tool anywhere, guys, as I said. So if I install this tool in my laptop, okay, I can expect like there would be some low performance. Okay, so what I will do now, I will copy this software into one of the virtual machine and install it. Okay, now already I have one Windows machine, web-vm1. Now try to start it.
Sekar, even in the normal way, you are able to drag and the right drop the files, right?
Yes. But
Okay.
file share it won't accept, guys. File share folders cannot be drag and drop. Whereas coming to the uh, blob storage, yes, you can do everything. Okay, we have many options they have provided in Storage Explorer. I'm starting the video.
Sekar, in the pub in my company, they have they have committed one .NET project. Okay, and in the place of the public IP, there's some name was coming. They are actually they are just for the practice purpose. They have done how to do in the Azure. So here they see here that the IP is coming, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, but they are using the Visual Studio, right? 2022 something, 19, I don't remember, and they have committed the code. But how I don't know how the name has come, the public
You mean
IP.
to say server name?
Yeah, some different name on code, like some dot project was coming, project name.
Yeah, share our screenshot in the group chat. You'll see what is that.
Okay. Tomorrow I will share. Okay, tomorrow I'll take the photo and share. Okay, now
Sure.
because in the commercial is a company account, so I don't have.
Okay, now copy, paste it.
Sir, I have one question. What does disk contain, sir, actually? What will be there inside the disks?
Hey, general, our application data are personal data. For example, this is my laptop, right? What I am storing in the disk?
The
My,
data.
yeah, my personal data, images and all that. Same way.
Okay. Like OS related also will be there?
Yeah, this is the OS disk. We have separate. Everything is there.
Everything will be there.
Yeah.
Okay. So when we did that rescue operation, sir, 2-3 classes
Yeah.
before we did
Yeah,
rescue, right?
actually, if
Uh,
there is any issue on existing VM, then that is the one troubleshoot point, like creating the disk, creating the snapshot, create the disk, from there create the virtual machine. And all.
Yes, sir. That day, what you did for Windows 22, you took the disk, okay, impacted VMOS disk, and then you applied it on 2019 Windows. So
The troubleshooting point we are enabling, there is a one feature hyperware. Troubleshooting can be anything, right? Main your concern is to troubleshoot existing VM. Forget about whether it is Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 12, or Windows 16, or Windows 19, or 2020.
so only the data will be there at that.
Yeah, only data we are looking for.
Okay. And second thing is, sir, when I try to attach an existing disk, I'm not getting the drop down. In the drop down, the disk is not available.
Refresh entire portal.
I tried it, sir. It's not getting. So
Okay, the disk did you create on same region, same resource group? That
yes, sir.
also
Same region, Central India and resource group is same.
then it should be reflect.
Should we give any other permissions there?
Nothing directly.
Okay, sir. I'll try again.
Okay, or else maybe this is the free trial, right? You are deploying the virtual machines in India region, right?
Yeah, Central India.
To host it in East US, let's see.
Sure,
But
sir.
100%, whatever the region it is least further, 100% it should be reflect.
Okay, I'll try it, sir. Thank you. East US, right? I should try it.
That right out East US.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
But 100% all the regions it should reflect.
Okay.
At least or else wait for a couple of minutes or 5 to 10 minutes, then refresh. It may reflect it.
Actually, I'm trying from yesterday. I have the disk, the impacted VM disk, and I'm not able to attach it.
Okay.
I have to try with different region as you suggested. I'll try.
Yeah, try it out. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Shekhar, the snapshot that you are creating is like just for a backup or just for troubleshoot?
Yeah, just if you want to create similar kind of virtual machine, then use it. For example, your virtual machine is corrupted, right? What you have to do, at least we need a backup. Then what we have to do? Take a snapshot, attach, create another OS disk. From there, copy your project files and all. Then you will be safe, right? That is the troubleshoot I have provided. If you feel that confusing, just practice it and leave it, guys. That will be really helpful for in real time.
Okay,
Yes.
but here the OS disk it will be like OS disk data will be coming, not with the like data disk, right? Suppose there is
Data disk, yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Data disk, if you lost the data, even data disk is corrupted, same process. Okay, take that snapshot disk and use it. If you have the backup of the virtual machine, you need not worry about all these things. Everything you can restore it from backup. If there is no
Okay.
option, few companies, medium level companies are there, right? If they trigger the backup, it will occupy some storage. That also would be chargeable. They cannot bear that much amount per project, right? So generally they won't configure the backups. In that situation, if any unexpected events are occurred, that is the solution I have provided.
Okay, you mean to say like suppose I have the 3 drives, I can take the snapshot of the 3 if I needed, okay? Or
Yeah,
anyone.
that is, yeah.
It doesn't mean like I can also take the data disk, OS disk, depends on.
Not required. All about based on issue, guys. That's it.
Okay.
That
In the
feature is very useful, sir. Recently, we have used that snapshot feature in real time. It is very useful. Recently, we moved to Azure. So what we did, we set up the development environment in one place, and we took the snapshot and give it to 20 employees. So all 20 employees no need to do the setup repeatedly.
Yeah, correct. That's what.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir. So, can you check my one small query? while this is copying.
Yeah, wait till
Sir, now we are covering administration, right?
yeah, administration.
So if I'm attending DevOps interview, they will ask these questions also.
100% guys.
Okay.
Administration is mandatory for everything. Okay,
Okay.
if you are entering to the cloud, no. So whatever it is, AWS or Google or Azure or anything, it would be administration is mandatory. First learn administration, then go on from other technologies from here. For example, I am interested to learn artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, where they have implemented cloud only. Without knowledge about administration, what is the artificial intelligence, how to create how to provision that service, I don't know, right? If you have basic of Azure administration, then you can do everything. I said, right, 30 plus certification papers are there in Azure.
Okay.
We can't do everything, right? So
Yes.
if you have the basic, from there we have to travel wherever you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir, I am audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, means as a topic wise, we have created only the Linux machine and the it's only we have to start with the storage account, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Currently, to not a working na means not a start na means how to deploy the means yeah how to implement the network pro.
Yeah, networking things I never discussed. I am going one by one, guys. Everything will be covered. Need not worry. Directly, if I start teaching
Yeah,
about
sir, can you means as a little bit means as a can you means specify that topic jo means today till now that covered actually the almost so.
okay, yeah, see, file have been copied. So now try to install it. Installation is not a big challenge. Just double click. Okay, yeah, next. Yeah, install all users or me. Okay, problem. So agree terms and conditions, install, next, install it. Okay, finish. Okay, yeah. So I have installed, what is that? Azure Storage Explorer in on top of one of the virtual machine, right? Now navigate to storage account, click on storage account, open the VM. See, there is one option called plug mark. Click on this plug. Okay, it will prompt for one window. Now I would like to connect, what is that, storage account. Here we have different types of services. First, have a look about storage account or services. Now I want to connect the storage account in three ways. Okay, one is through key, shared access signature, and account name and key. I am going to choose last one, account name and key. Next, here you need to pass account name and access key and display name. Okay, let me copy. This is what storage account name. Okay, my storage 2023-0101. Account name also should be same. What is the key? See guys, now if you observe, there is a one option called access keys. What is that? Access keys. Click on access keys. Okay, here you could see what is that? Key 1 and key 2. Why they have provided two keys is backup key, guys. That's it. Okay, now show the key. See, this is the key name. Copy and paste it. Sorry. Copy and paste it. Okay, next. Here, this is the one. Yeah, Azure, China, US federal government, these two are implementing total. They are whatever the government projects they are using, right? So they are using these two regions. For example, if you are working for China government project or US federal government project, then they have dedicated data centers as they are governments, and you can go ahead and choose particular region, select it. Okay, for all other regions, generally you can go for what? Azure, that's it. Okay, yeah, next. Okay, connect. See guys, Microsoft Azure 2023-0101. Expand it. Okay, it contains 4 services. One is Blob, file, queue, table. Respond. Clear? One is Blob container, file share, queue, table storage. Okay, so how to use these services, that we'll see in next session, guys. Okay, then we will go for table queue storage. Okay, then we will go for app services, how we can use that, all we will look into that. Okay. Yeah, Kamaruddin, yesterday evening also I spoke with them. They said that they are going to provide. Share your email address in the chat. I will forward them from my end. Okay, yeah.
Hello,
In
sir.
personally in WhatsApp, share with me. I will ask them to provide the access. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Hello, sir. Can I share
Yes.
my screen? One issue I'm facing while this taking the RDP of one Windows
Yeah,
server.
yeah. Share your screen quickly, please.
Okay. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so sir, this is the server machine. Starting it. Actually, I have also added this RDP port number additionally also, but it's not working. And my account is pay as you go account.
Oh, is it? Mhm. Oh, you converted your account into pay-as-you-go model?
Actually, sir, 1 year back I have created this.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
you are paying the amount for every month?
Because as such means right now I'm not using the Azure services. After starting this class, only I have start using it again.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the
Yeah, but this is chargeable now, like you are using after 1 year, right?
It's chargeable only.
yes,
Okay.
it's chargeable.
Are you paying every month for this?
As I already said, I am not using it regularly.
Okay.
From 1 month only, I have been using after starting of this batch.
Okay.
And so while it is connecting, I have some other questions in the storage part.
Okay.
Means because my account is pay as you go, na, so I have to take care that unnecessary service won't
Yeah. Correct.
include
Correct.
the charges. Yes. So if suppose I have created one storage account, and in that I have deleted all the means the file queue, file share, and because yesterday I have uploaded some data like 5 to 10 MB. some PDF files. So if I forgot to delete those, so will it occur the charges?
Yeah, 100% chargeable, guys.
So if I delete the file share and only storage account is created. So
Storage account also created, then there would be minimal charges.
minimal charges and per month means any idea?
Yeah, you are pay as you go model, right? Directly you can
Yes.
drop an email to Microsoft. Drop an email. If you raise the case again, that would be chargeable. Seems you people
Okay.
can send out an email if you have any questions.
Okay,
But
sir.
yeah, so when you create storage account, there would be some space allocated, right, for you. 100% minimal charges would be there.
So it is a better practice to delete the storage account after
Yeah,
this
just to
practice, right?
delete it. That's it.
Okay, so I have given the control to you. can check
Can
out.
you just check for the status of this here? Is it running? Running, right?
Yeah, it's
Ah,
fine.
yes, it's running.
It's
Have you
running.
checked the security group? Whether the port started properly?
Security.
3389. Add the
RDP
3389 port.
Security group port.
3389 RDP should be.
Yeah, yeah. So very
89,
simple. Instead
89.
of custom service, use the
RDP.
RDP.
That's it.
Okay.
Try it out. Yeah, it will take some time to reflect, around couple of minutes, and try it out. Okay.
Okay, sir. Actually, I've tried it means for like 5 to 10 minutes yesterday and also refreshed the portal so many times, but
Okay.
it's not working.
Is it only
If you
with?
if you want, sir, you can create some other means VM
Okay.
if it is not working. Sir, is there any settings in this means local machine to allow the
No,
RDP?
not required. This is your personal machine, not your office system, right?
Yes, sir. Personal machine.
Maybe some firewall settings. Yes.
No, this is the public, right?
Okay.
Firewall settings, it won't be any stop. If they are using office system, no, then we have to think of it.
So here it is.
Did I lose the connectivity or what else?
Wait. This is.
So check for network security group also.
Bro, network security group means by default it has been created. No changes done.
Log should be enabled.
And sir, one more thing, boot diagnostic. Firstly, it was disabled. Then I have altered into means enabled also. Enable, disable, both things I have checked.
It is good. Should be access this time. Try to connect it now.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I think it's the problem with this machine. Okay. Because when I try to connect via my RDP, it's asking for username and password.
Oh, it is asking username and password. Huh?
Username and password, sir. I'll ping in the chat. I have connected to that IP.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, there would be some issue then. That's what I'm asking. This is Appy's mission or your personal mission?
No, sir. Personal, sir. Personal machine.
Personal mission.
100%. Yes.
Then in our system might be something suspecting. As he is saying that he is able to access, then the issue with your system.
So,
The chat box.
so what is the exact issue? Means I'm also not getting it now.
Let me access it my end. What is that
114.114.81.
Yeah, for me it is asking.
So
Let me share my screen.
but what would be the issue in my machine? That is also the question.
Okay, just to go and verify any settings, it has been disabled. Second, let me share my.
Wait, I'll stop share. Yeah.
Yeah, it is asking. What is the username?
Rajiv, RAJIV.
Okay, JIV.
Yeah. And in password, capital N.
Okay. Okay.
ASA. NASA.
For alpha, right?
Yeah. Only N capital, then ASA.
A.
SA. NASA, sir. NASA. NAS. Yeah.
NASA.
@
Okay.
1403
403.
1990.
Sorry, 1403.
1990.
Spell mistake.
Invalid password.
Ping me in the chat, or else we can change it.
Okay, I'll ping.
Wrong password.
So this is the only password I have set it. I don't know why it's not taken. Okay,
Reset the password and try it out.
try this. I think this one.
Yes,
Yes.
it is accessible. Yeah, it is actually.
So
you are
when
using free trial or license operating system. Anything you should be accessed. There would be some outside settings and all might be disabled. Verify it in your Windows 10 or Windows 11.
Windows 10 Pro, sir.
Windows 10 Pro, no?
Yeah. Actually, I've been using since last 1.5 years, and previously also I've taken the RDP successfully.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, in that case, try to access this VM in your system then.
Okay, I'll do one thing then. I'll delete this VM and try it with some other VM.
Okay, here there would be a Windows firewall will be there.
There, maybe default firewall must be off or something. He has to check that. That one is at Windows.
Yeah, here try to what is that? Disable something Windows Defender.
The third one, yeah.
Yeah. Turn off Defender firewall and all. Try it out and verify. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll let you know.
You can try with the same settings. Both should be off.
What? Pardon?
The both private network and public network settings both should be off. You can try with the same
Both
settings.
should be off. Okay,
Yeah.
thanks. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Thank
Okay,
you
sir.
everyone. Bye.
Thank you,
Have a
sir.
great
Yeah.
day. Take
Bye,
care.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, bye.